Are you looking for a home and a mortgage, or just need to refinance your existing loan? If so, go local. Well, that seems easy enough, right? But there are things you need to know. Participating Federal Home Loan Bank lenders are making the mortgage process easier, faster, and better for consumers. Meet Chad and Elizabeth Vertinen, whose dream of home ownership became a reality after they decided to go local for their mortgage needs.
One of the things that I liked about the local lending institution was we had a lot of things going on at the time, so we were at the same time planning for a wedding, and with all the craziness of that, like the people here at Tropical Financial made it really accessible. And so they gave us their phone numbers, we were able to call them. Our lender really made herself accessible to us, and so it was great help for us.
The best part of the local lending institution was how flexible they were and also how friendly they were.
One of the things that I found most helpful was that obviously the mortgage rates were lower, and so I was like, okay, let me dive in more, let me learn a little bit more. And then when I learned about this lending institution was the fact that they kind of laid everything out for me. So they were kind of walking me through the process, but at the same time letting me know these are the steps that it's going to take in order for us to close on this property.
The Federal Home Loan Banks are made up of 11 Federal Home Loan Banks across the United States. We're a cooperative system established by Congress in 1932 to help support local lenders and make sure that they had the funds available to them needed to make sure that they could continue lending across the United States. Kind of makes me think of a movie, It's a Wonderful Life. You may have seen it at Christmas time. Starred Jimmy Stewart. Well, that was all about the financial crisis and the fact that there wasn't money available when it was needed. The home loan banks help make sure that money is available when it's needed. The Federal Home Loan Bank's Mortgage Purchase Program is a program that allows community lenders, such as credit unions and local community banks, make mortgages in their market and work with local people, and then take those loans and have a source, a secondary market is what we call it, to sell those loans to. We're that investor that buys that loan and puts it on our balance sheet and then gives them money back so that they can relend it in their community.
Having that local experience and understanding what the local environment is, what the real estate market is about, those are the types of things that a local lender has the experience and knowledge of that perhaps somebody who is national may not have that local understanding.
FHL banks are sponsored by the federal government and have helped millions of homeowners since they were created in 1932. Through its mortgage programs, the FHL banks have provided more than $680 billion of mortgage funding.
The Federal Home Loan Banks, through our mortgage purchase programs, offer a variety of products that we make available to our local lenders. For example, Tropical Financial Credit Union is working with us under our jumbo product and make jumbo lending available. In addition to that, we have other products such as the 30-year fixed. We have government lending such as FHA and VA loans. So a lot of products make a lot of options available to local communities.
It's the biggest process you're ever going to go through, your biggest purchase in your entire lifetime. And it's a very scary process. It's not something that just happens overnight. So having somebody local to walk you through every single step, I think is really imperative.
It's building that trust relationship with somebody that you can work with and understand the complicated process of obtaining a mortgage loan, and to have someone that you can go locally, pay that payment in that local branch, and have a friendly smile greet you every time you do that, it's a wonderful thing.
So, go local. Reach out to your local community bank or credit union. Support your local community while saving time and money. It's a win-win. To locate a community bank or credit union in your city or town, go to mymortgagelocator.com or visit our website, designingspaces.tv.
Anybody who wants to buy or refinance a home, I would totally recommend that they would go local, like we did.
You can visit these websites to learn more about the participants on this edition of Designing Spaces.